Hey guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to the unboxing of the new GMADE GS02 BOM. First we'll take a look at the box. Packaging. The bottom of the box shows some of the features. Here's the top of the box. Shows a bit more features. Side of the box. Here's the other side. And we'll get to opening this up. Alright, so we've got tires with foams here. These are the GMADE MT1904. Take a look at the tread. Might be okay. Feel a little bit stiffer than some tires, but they might soften up. Got the front grille as well as the side mirrors. Looks like the chassis rails and some parts for the chassis. Chassis rails are inside here if you can't see them. Some more parts. Shock parts. Drive shafts. Wheels. Axles. CVDs are in here as well. Bearings. These are extra bonus parts for people who pre-ordered, but they pretty much come with whatever the first batch of bombs are out. Alright, hardware bag. This is actually pretty nice. It's all separated out and labeled. Look at that. links, quality control card, just to show that this kit has been passed through quality control as far as what's included. Gears, transmission gears. It's got some metal gears here. And it looks like the spur gear, I think this is the spur gear, is plastic. Yep, spur gear. And you got the slipper clutch, slipper pads right there. Got the Lexan body. The rear cage. Instructions and decal and window mask. That's pretty much it for this GMADE BOM unboxing. Thanks for watching.